Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming mic placement and phase. This prevents comb filtering and keeps the kit coherent. Once done, solo kick and snare tracks and apply a 60 to 100 Hz high pass on tom overheads and room mics so low-end mud is removed. Then insert a parametric EQ with a narrow Q sweep between 200-800 Hz to identify boxy resonances and cut 2.6 dB where needed. This first pass clears space for the punch and natural tone. Now you focus on character. With the kick soloed, boost a wide band around 50 to 100 Hz for low-end weight and add a small, narrow boost near 5 to 4 kHz to bring out beater attack if it lacks definition. Once done, move to the snare and boost 150 to 250 Hz for body, then add 3 to 6 kHz for snap, using medium Q to avoid harshness. Make subtle overhead brightening with a gentle shelf. Above 8 kHz, you finish by grouping drum channels to a drum bus and apply gentle compression. About 2:1 ratio, 3 to 6 ms attack and 50 to 150 ms release, to glue transient energy without squashing life. Once balanced, listen for masking. Make small subtractive cuts in the mid-range on individual tracks to create separation rather than broad boosts. If things sound off, solo the offending mic, sweep a narrow cut to remove resonances, and double-check phase between close and overhead mics to restore natural tone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.